Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily create a custom equalizer profile on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So first we need to open up the XIAOMI Earbuds app. Now here what we need to scroll here is basically we need to go to the audio effects. Now here in the audio balance, we would be able to change that. As you guys can see, we can create a custom one right here at the bottom. And here we can set up the equalizer. So we can just have fun with these sliders. We can find what suits us the best. And that'd be it. So I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.